Hello everyone and welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Are you tired of financial apps that overpromise and underdeliver? I know you are. Today we're sliding through the noise with a head-to-head battle of two heavy hitters. Taxfyle and Quicken. Let's see which one deserves a spot on your home screen. First, their superpower. Think of Taxfyle as your on-demand tax expert. Its main goal is to connect you with a pro to file your taxes accurately and stress-free. It is a specialist. What about Quicken? Well, Quicken is your year-round financial fitness trainer. It's not just for taxes, it tracks your spending, builds your budgets, manages investments, and monitors your net worth 24/7. It is a total package. Let's look at their primary use. Tax filing, you use Taxfyle for it. Quicken is used for overall money management. Let's look at what they are best for. Taxfyle is best for last-minute filing, freelancers, and anyone who wants an expert, while Quicken is best for DIY budgeters, investors, families that are tracking their goals. Now what about the vibe? If you want to get your taxes done, that's Taxfyle. If you want to know where all your money goes, that's Quicken. What about the price model? Well, Taxfyle uses a pay-per-filing model, while Quicken uses an annual subscription. So the winner? Well, it depends on your goal. If you need a tax-specific solution with expert help, Taxfyle is your champ. But if you want a comprehensive tool to master your entire financial life, not just the tax season, then Quicken is the undisputed king. So which team are you on? The tax specialist team or the money master team? Let us know in the comments below. And if this helped you, do us a huge favor, smash that like button and subscribe for more simple finance tips every week. Actually, we publish every day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.